So, hello my dear friends. Let us begin with this system investigation. So, system investigation in SDLC, that is software development lifecycle, is first we have to assess the feasibility and practicality of the system. We have to assess that whether the software would be feasible and whether the system which we are investigating is practical to the condition. We have to determine if new system is being needed. So primarily 5 tasks we have to carry out. First we have to list the problems, what are the problems being faced by the organization. We have to find out the opportunities and the directives on which we can work. Then we have to negotiate on the preliminary scores. Preliminary scores, negotiate means how much money you are going to give. Say they said only 5 crore rupees we can pay. So this is the negotiation part. We have to then assess the project work, what how much money it would be requiring, and then accordingly we have to plan that project. And then afterwards we have to present the project and then plan it. So basically it is a system investigation process. Second is about the system analysis process. Here in depth the old system, and we have to identify the new system requirements. So basically system analysis process from the user's point of view. So what are the organizational analysis, we have to check different forms, and what are the organizations tell, their analysis is being taken into consideration, and analysis at the present systems and as well as the functional requirements. Whatever new requirements has been taken, whether you want to develop something which is you want to make changes in the same software, or do you want something new to be developed. So as per the requirements, solutions are to be given. So this is system analysis. Third stage is the system design process. System design process in which we design actually new or alternative systems. So here design process is there, specifically how the systems will accomplish the objectives, that is design. It consists basically of user interface, what kind of graphics we are going to use, what kind of forms will be in front of the user, and how that user will be interacting with it. Then we have to design what the database design should be there, whether we are going to use SQL, whether we are going to use Incrus, or whether we are going to use Oracle. So database design is there. Then we also have to design what are the process, what all processes need to be carried out, and what all calculations need to be done. So how the system will process the information. So the processing design is also a very important part. And there will be system specifications also. So depending there are a lot of system specification. So here we have got a system specifications over here. So UI design, data design, process design, and system specification. So all this take part in system design process. Then we have systems development. We have to build the system as per the design specification, whatever design we have made. As per that, the development process starts. So we have to develop the software to we have to purchase off the shelf software or write a custom software. Custom means specifically we have to design. On off the shelf software can also be purchased like from the open source, and further it can be used as per our requirement. Then we have to acquire the hardware system also, and then we have to test the new system, that is module testing or integration testing also takes place. Means module wise testing takes place, whether each and every module is being working perfectly or not. Integration testing also takes place in one unit. Then we create manual for the users and operators. It becomes easy for them to use the software. So basically how to use this term and how and what and why. So because every end user may be able to make use of that software, and he should be making use of each and every system which we are providing, each and every command which we are providing to him. So basically for training the users, you take the system, and the system implementation part is there, where we actually install the system by converting the old system to the new system, basically, or to we have to train the end users. We have to compile the final documentation as well as the testing and evaluation take parts with the help of the new system. So this is the system evaluation process. Thank you, and stay tuned for the upcoming slide.